Top of the morning to you. Welcome to the Sturgis 2024 video. I suppose this is as good a place as any to start the video, really. It is, of course, the Stoneville Saloon. Looks a little bit different to what it looks like on a Tuesday, clearly. But anyway, roll that intro while I have my Bailey's coffee. We've been on the road for nigh on 2 days. We're close to 900 miles in, but we're finally here. Let's go. So like I said, this is day 2 of our rally. We didn't want to start the video yesterday because it was just hammering miles, basically. Last night we hammered down to Billings. We didn't leave Calgary area till about midday yesterday, and we got all the way into Billings last night. Roughly 500 odd miles in. Yesterday we hit Billings, like I said, around about 10:30, 11:15 last night. Found some random place to stay, stayed, and then got up this morning and hit the road again. So just so you know who's on the trip this year, we got John, aka Canadian Vet, over there, and you've seen this guy from the Renegade Riot. Guys, how's your trip to Sturgis going?
It's
so
good.
far?
This is awesome what you're doing. So yeah.
We've seen some sheep as well, didn't we?
Hundreds of sheep coming with me. They're excited.
Yeah. So if you didn't know, Gaz is Welsh and he loves sheep. So. So what we're doing here, we're gonna have. I mean, look how it's just. We're gonna have a Bailey's coffee, obviously. We'll have a little bit of a rest. But look at the difference. Place is dead when it's not Titty Tuesday. Like I said, we're at the Stoneville Saloon in Montana. It is absolutely rammed. There's at least 2,000, 3,000 bikes in the parking lot, and they're still coming in. It's been a while since I've heard, are you ready to see some titties, to be fair. It's been a while since I've seen some titties. Let's get into Sturgis. We're going to go fill up in Belfort, then we're going to hit the Buffalo Chip, check in, and then the party's going to start from that point on, basically. So we've got Kid Rock tonight. That's going to be phenomenal. Good to go, man. Let's go. What's happening? We are set up, I would say, Camp Coalition ×2, but we're obviously missing Grant. But we've got a good substitution in Gaz over there. So Camp Coalition ×2 at the Chip. We're kind of where we were in 2022, which is just over there where that white van is. So we're right by the fence, which is all right, man. It's not too bad, you know. It is what it is. It's a nice place, it's quiet air, if that makes sense. But we're all set up, as you can see. There's John's, there's Gaz's, and I have a new tent which I'm leaving behind this year. I don't have the camouflage on with me this year, but we are good to go, set up, nipped, as you can see. So Gaz, what's your first thoughts of the Chip and Sturgis so far, mate?
Yeah, I mean, not expecting it. So I knew there'd be a lot of bikes kind of thing, but it is absolutely like just crazy. Like just the amount of bikes on the road kind of thing. It's biker heaven, I would call this kind of thing. What you mean? So,
yeah.
Yeah, it's.
I mean, you only had a little snippet of Lazelle, which is like,
yeah,
But
yeah, honestly, like, I mean, like I said, at all motorcycle events I've been to, we see lots of bikes and different things like this, but to see that many bikes packed up and that many on the road, it's crazy. Like,
and what do you think of the chip so far?
Yeah, chip's good, kind of. What do you mean? So far, so good, kind of. What do you mean? So far, so good. So excited for tonight and Kid Rock as well. Yeah,
Kid Rock tonight, yeah, exactly. So
yeah,
John's getting changed. All right, mate. Just filming you while you're getting changed.
It's Y2.
So, yeah, we're going to go over to the big engine bar, which is like literally there, because Adam Sandoval has his Great American Convoy party tonight. That I think is the end of the convoy, so we're going to go over there, check out a few people, we've arranged to meet Full Throttle Hog, Ryan, for a pint and whatnot tonight. Then we're going to go down, hit the stage tonight, which Gaz said was Kid Rock, so yeah, and Buck Cherry, Buck Cherry as well. So we're going to go see Buck Cherry and Kid Rock tonight, which is going to be amazing. The show will be awesome. But we're going to go ahead over to the big engine bar, see Adam, see Ryan and whatnot, and just say hi and have a few drinks. So yeah, I'll see you guys at the big engine bar.
We've been riding around the country, right, for like 36 days, and our goal was to raise as much money as possible for the Wounded Warrior Project. And this was done by riders from all across the country, many of which couldn't make it here today for their own reasons, but this goes out to all you riders around the country who joined up with the Great American Convoy, put down miles, saw some beautiful country, made some amazing friends, and did some good for our country. And collectively, after riding around the country for 36 days, we're happy to write a check to the Wounded Warrior Project for $163,761. I said that wrong. $163,761 to the Wounded Warrior Project. Thank you so much for everybody who was part of that. Please accept the check on behalf of myself and the entire Great American Convoy.
Ryan's not doing shots. I want the record to show that this is before we go into the Kid Rock concert, that nothing I do tonight is
that on record?
Being allowed to be put onto YouTube.
Am I recording?
Is there a big red button in the middle? Oh, fucking hell.
Kind of know what I'm doing. So I do not give permission to Scouse or any of his conglomerates to allow
it's the coalition crew.
The coalition crew to share anything that happens tonight on social media. That you can put in your YouTube channel.
Thanks, man.
And then you can have a little
To be fair, you said the same shit last time.
And then I took your camera.
And look what happened.
And then he's all like, I'm gonna cut that out.
Yeah, exactly. But none of that tonight. We're gonna act like adults and produce a
He lies.
an adult film. No, that's one.
Adult
An
film?
Oh,
All right, Des, you're the only female here right now.
They're my brothers.
mature.
Things are about ready to get crazy. But Scouse, when you review this later on for your edit, no, I do not give you permission to put what just happens from here on out, unless there's an edit that I do when I'm drunk. Then you might be able to do that, because this stuff is pretty good.
Maybe.
Yeah.
No. To be fair, you said the same shit last time. Let's still put it in.
Wait, say that again.
You said the same thing last time. Let's still put it in there.
And what happened?
It was a success.
I'll show right now what happened.
Hey, good morning. How you doing today?
So the guy that was buying all the shots feels absolutely amazing.
Wait. Let's clarify.
Amazing.
Let's clarify something right now. I believe the first round of shots that even got this thing started, I had nothing to do with. But after that, I mean, I'll take some responsibility.
Yeah. So,
Dude, I vaguely remember you saying shots.
let it be known, the Full Throttle Hog has gone to get fucking shots after saying I'm not drinking.
I'm all about a shot.
Woo, fuck dude, man. Let's go.
Let's go, boys.
Let's go, round two.
Let's And then it all came, let's go get shots. So
I was talking about filming shots.
Oh, so we miscalculated.
Yeah, but you know, I wasn't going to tell you
so
no.
it was a communication error.
Well, I don't know if we can call it an error. I had a good time. I like to party. Do you want to sit on my lap? I'm in.
No. Yeah, I had a good time. Apparently I had a good time. I don't know yet because I haven't reviewed the footage, but I will. But I feel like I've been run over by a train.
I don't even know why I hang out with them, to be honest.
I thought maybe you could help me out and try to show the younger ones in here a little bit of what that was like. But I'm gonna need you to do one thing, especially you younger ones, for 20 seconds, and I know it's gonna be hard, man. I know it's gonna be hard. But if you could just put your fucking phone away for 20 seconds and give me your hands, all right? Come on.
Are the true backbone of our great country, hard-working, God-fearing, rock and roll patriots. Bob is truly one of the greatest entertainers of our time. Let's all continue to love one another, fight for our God-given freedoms, and most of all, let's make America rock. Let's make America rock again. Have a wonderful time tonight. God bless you, and God bless America.
Thank you so much, Sturgis. We love you all. One more time for the Twisted Brown Trucker Band! We hope to see you real soon! Thank you! God bless you all! And good night!
Wait till you see what happens next.
Well, we kind of know what I'm...
Like you said, brother, 2 nights ago, we had popping tires.
Right.
stupid.
Don't let me lead. Why lead? Let's keep going straight.